What is up guys, this is Yafara back again on another epic adventure. Last week's video response, the snow adventure, was so good. Got a lot of positive feedbacks from my friends and family. Just in case if you all haven't watched our video yet, it should be up somewhere in the cards here. And also if you have missed out on the Cannes adventure series, go check it out. It should be up here as well. And today's video, it's an interesting session. We've been wanting to do it for a long time. It's a family day outing, aka road trip. We've been planning for ages and we finally made it. We decided to drive to this beautiful location in Oberon, New South Wales, which is towards the Canola fields. Because why not? Everybody loves a scenic road trip which ends up with all these Instagram-worthy photos and videos, right? So that's what we decided. And also guys, this video was shot way before the lockdowns, so we did not break any stay-at-home orders. As of today, I'm recording this video. Sydney is under strict lockdown for the last 2 to 3 months, and the New South Wales Premier has finally announced restrictions will be eased by the end of October or probably mid-October. And hopefully there'll be some freedom for us to go ahead with more adventures. So fingers crossed. And guys, this Canola road trip, it's such a memorable one, not just because of the beautiful Australian landscapes, also because of the people I went with. They say a day well spent with your family is for the heart and soul. That's how everybody felt on that day. It was so good. So are you ready for this video? Let's go. Oh wait, there's one more thing. It's a cinematic video. Alright, what is the difference between a normal video and a cinematic video? A cinematic video is a cinematic video. No guys, you had to get the black bass rolling. Let's get the black bass rolling. Let's go. more cinematic stuff like this in the future? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, go smash that like button. There's more adventure stuff coming in the future, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Also, turn on the bell notification on, just in case I post a video, you guys will be notified straight away. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace out.